In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change aspect ratio on your videos in Filmora. If you found this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, so if you want to change your aspect ratio on Filmora, it's quite simple. For instance, if you want to change a landscape video to a vertical one or portrait one, it is quite simple. All you need to do is to go ahead and click on File here, and then under this, go ahead and look for project settings. If you click on it, now you can see we have here the aspect ratio. Currently it is set to custom. This means you can go ahead and enter your own dimensions as you wish and they'll be applied. Alternatively, you can just go ahead and toggle down this to display various aspect ratio that you can choose from. And as you can see, we have the aspect ratio for widescreen, which is 16:9. We have portrait, which is 9:16, and then we have suitable for Instagram, which is 1:1. We have 4:3, 4:5, and the others. Now, in this case, I want to change this into a portrait aspect ratio. So I'll go ahead and select 9:16 aspect ratio and then click on OK. And as you can see, that has been applied. But the problem is now this video has a black screen on top and on the bottom. And I want it to be portrayed such that it covers the whole of the screen. To change that, just head over to edit button here and then click on it. Then under edit, go ahead and increase the scale of your video. So if I increase it like this, I'll scale it to cover the whole. And then just move to make sure that it fits your preference. And I can further scale it like this. And here we go. Just fill the screen. Now I'll go ahead and move it to cover the part that I want. For instance, I just want to display this face. And now here we go. Once you're done, click on OK. Then now you can play the whole video to see the transformation that has just happened. So that's how you can change the aspect ratio of your videos in Filmora. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.